Alright, so all one people, Duttyberry Uncut. So if you realize that there is somebody over here, so I have a brother. I'm never really telling him, but this is my brother over here. So his name is Akeem. He is a trainer. I taught him everything that he know. Like tell the people them like when he just a start up, I'm say, yo, you have to bench press, you have to do this amount of push-ups. You know, you have to jog, you have to just like, eat, certain times. Pull-ups, all of these things. So
all from there. I mean, I don't know where I would be.
Yeah. When I tell people
without him.
So today no actually bring him on the channel. I do not know why. But me want to talk about, just like why I kind of stopped the whole fitness thing and about how awful I am with this fitness journey.
Very awful.
Do you want to literally bring it on for the channel for just like, like it's no fault to you, It's, you can literally just
I'll tell my part because, a lot of persons, which I appreciate, thank you very much, I try to take this guy under my wing to just to show him the ropes, but I guess life happened. But my side of the story really is, me just trying to transform Barry's lifestyle and his life in general. He told me, he expressed, focus. He told me, expressed, this one for doing my training, So he expressed to me pretty much that he wanted to reach a goal in mind, and I pretty much said, alright, once you're serious, sure. And I said, just to be accountable, tell yourself accountable, just, do something so you can track your progress, your journey.
So we don't want to have 8-pack and all kind of things, but they don't want to have the 2, right there, so when you walk, we never want to walk so again. But they want to walk, so when you got gym, I don't start to walk, so as someone start like walk.
Yes, they wanted to have the up chest and
my voice just naturally get deep because
started good, like for a good 2 weeks.
2 weeks?
Don't think alright, yeah.
No, don't do that. I feel like when it comes to at least a solid 3.5.
Oh boy, maybe like
about a month
and a half.
But it have gone.
Can't say reach the full 2 months. But about a month and a half. Can't never reach the 2 months. But
because I insert a video right now. Come here, show you one at a time, but it have come on and when I look at myself in the mirror and say, are you that?
If you even start back as the man I love a video where the man was going to an event and was in a black shirt and
yeah, come in man.
You could chest a kick and I want to say yes. Progress.
I tell you, as soon as I see the little hype in as soon as I see the progress, it flag going on my head.
Stop. And then man just go back to the bad eating and everything, which are pretty much, if you can stay tuned or if you can put a description that way there. So you can just see how to kick off, the new year. But yeah man, like very we need to get inconsistent. We need to get him on track for 2021, guys. I really hope you guys can just motivate him, push him, just get serious, just make him check in with you guys.
Well, I mean, sure.
To a go on in the world, I know. You better you got your best.
The shirt look like bigger than them already. Is Jesus Christ.
Because
but they're good for the video still. Good.
Hopefully by a few times can fill it out or something. You see all them space, we can fill it out.
Christ.
So just keep a check on this shirt and make sure the next time I see it.
Yeah, but you see, when we do that now, then we have to buy new clothes.
Right. And
I already have my clothes already. Like
every bodybuilder can tell you that they have 2 sets of outfits. One for when they're dieting down and one for when they're putting on weight. I know said mostly
I forgot some of that, yeah.
So you have the 2 versions, slim, dieting, and then when you're bulking up. So 2 sets of clothes is fine. You'll be fine.
But this is the reason why I'm there, because I try to hold myself accountable. I'm going to recommit myself to the gym.
Oh my God! Wow!
I'm really, it just, what people make even say like, understand, it's like for me, I will be good at something, but the minute when something else gets thrown at my plate, it get kicked off. So that's why I can't have pets. Because I know say if I have like a pet and me hungry, honestly,
you don't kill the pet.
Like literally right now. If you have like a aquarium or something about me hungry, I'm missing a piece of fish I'm in there. I'm just like, just take those and just name it for dinner. I just so it stay hard for they have a dog and then me know someone to buy one camera or something I do me know or my shot money for go pay the light bill. Me just fling with the dog. I am going to flick with the dog and I'm supposed to stay with fitness. So like
That's
when
why
I'm free,
you forget serious.
no, so when I'm free, I'm good. But you see when things come up and play, it's hard to forget about and just know say, yo, the only time you can exercise is in the early morning. But then you work all late and you're tired now. Oh, what kind of discipline now for tell yourself say, yo?
The time is reshuffle, make the time, plan out your, just like how you have a schedule of, just plan out your time.
Akeem, you know,
first, second, third, all about timing. Just planning, simple.
You know, well, you know.
Time management is the correct word. That's what I was looking for. Time management. Time management.
What more for me is like you, where because you exercise so often, you can get away with eating some of the fast food because you burn it off back.
Yeah.
And that one reaches, I only want to get fit to reach the point where I can probably
that in itself is
I probably can eat the way that I know say that will burn off.
Look at it that way. If you go to my IG page, you'll see that I eat pizza, KFC, cheesecake.
You're literally at exercise and you walk
Cheesecake.
coming and training with it. Like right there, face at the say like, yo.
Self-control, right? So if I'm training bear and I decide I want to eat a double whopper with cheese,
Wickedness that man, wickedness.
then that's fine because I look the part. I'm showing bear that hey, if you do your work, you can walk to the
Get away
session
with that cheat meal.
right?
Yeah.
Right. But you need to put in the work first. You see me? Small portion, guys. Small from.
And you work with Kevin too crazy, right?
Yes.
And he's definitely a lot more consistent.
Kevin too crazy. Yes.
Wow, you're really going to study this from time. Wow.
He's making progress.
Big up yourself,
Big up yourself, Kevin. He's making progress. Simple goal, 2 pounds a week. He's making slow progress. I'm gonna get to keep Barry on the bus as well, Barry came to me to lose. He came to me at 200 pounds.
Jesus, Pim! No, don't do that.
No.
I was 200 pounds when I was 12 years old. I wasn't 200 pounds in my adult life.
I'm sure. What was the weight, Barry? The 200 pounds, you say you're.
With the weight.
I wanted to go to 200.
No, I never want to go 200. But think me, I did about 190 or almost.
You're never
You don't want to round me
It
up.
was 200 pounds, and the goal was to say, I told Barry that he needed to go to at least, to be the sexy, healthy Barry. I said, Barry, guess what? You're 200 pounds, 2 pounds a week, we're going to look at, the best you would be at 180. That's 20 pounds, 180, right? Because Barry is like, his bottom heavy. Same legs, them big, you have some big
Elephantitis.
Elephant legs, them say want to lose the legs. What's the other? Simple 1, 2. But the man does.
I don't like cardio.
The man don't like cardio.
I don't like cardio. I don't like it at all. I just give me a vibe. Like honestly, right now, I just try to look and see if I can get sponsorship from one of them people that will fly out and just go to the liposuction.
No, you're promoting that
and
on
something like
YouTube.
Flat tummy tear or something like that.
No.
I don't know, but you
that mentality wrong. So see that I am here. The right way is tada me, right. So we're going to motivate Barry, push Barry to move from that 200 pounds. You see next time we might post him Uncut video him, make him pick a picture on the scale to say, hey Barry, what number is the scale showing?
Yeah, really look
so
bad, man. Yeah.
He needs to go down. His goal needs to be at least 180.
I'm the potential.
That's the plan for Barry for 2021.
So we can't bother this because I feel it's like naturally, I just slow charge, just some mistake. But fat people out there, they know they go already.
It's important because you're slow. So.
You're fat, you know them stuff because you're slow and then you feel like you're titty right there. So they're trapped up and
very important. Should be like stressed up and it's like how I'm still like this now. It's not because I want, as in me like this feel very uncomfortable. Right, this is a very sitting.
Yeah, but this feel uncomfortable with me, kind of natural.
Right, because your core. So. When you train, you strengthen your core, strengthen your lower back. You can sit up like this easily because my core is developed, my back is developed. So simple stuff like that, good posture.
Just cram.
Perfect. Look at that. You look like you're just bigger.
Yeah.
Not understand.
Yeah, I'm gonna just wear some of the suit that will make it look like that party to make it look like you have muscle. Like a them there, me would just like go and big. Fake it until you achieve.
You know how people always bash people about the fakeness. Don't be that guy.
Really be, man.
Don't be that guy.
But I'm gonna try, but just do this. So when you don't see me next year, I'm gonna slack off because I'm gonna try to do a video with you like once a week for kind of show say I'm actually try to like keep up with
effort
it.
and improvement.
You know, easy man, tell you like food nice no man, like sometimes you have the banana bread and you just want, I don't understand when you like edit, people who edit at night time, the YouTubers them, not no bad like when you edit all in the early hours of the
Which
night,
is why
I
I
am
do.
hungry and want a snack.
Which
You
is
know
why
what?
I do. You know, I myself, I understand
When I relate
fat
to it, like-
people. I understand fat
You
people
have a fact since you're back,
because
have you ever been overweight?
no.
See
but-
that? But no.
But I love food, and when
Okay.
I eat, I can be like, boy, I understand.
No, you
why
understand how
are
people,
fat.
yeah.
But then that should motivate you to at least work out so you can have the best of both worlds.
Yeah, I just want to work out. But honestly, when I really want to work out for no healthy reasons, just vain reasons, solely. But just want, you know, like when you work out, you can have on this and it look like say you just done shop at Gucci or something like that, like you come from fire. You see me put on this now, but look like say I want this a load boss.
I don't think
You get me?
certain things have a name. Like
You see me? That's the only,
Basic,
that's the
why?
only reason why I really like the motivation for just like you can literally just put on some little simple things and it just look neat. That's all. Me try this now, me look like you're supposed to come give me $5 a day for help me towards like getting a meal. Like I just saw it go.
Yeah.
But I don't know.
I got you, Bear. I got you. That's 1 week check in.
Yeah.
I can get those numbers down. Slow progress. 2 pounds a week for the 2021. That's the goal.
Alright, so let's do an ab check. Hold on. Alright, so right now, whoo, look at this is what it says. Can you not?
Up front and
No, that's enough. No.
That's
No.
side profile.
Alright. Oh my gosh, Jesus Christ. Alright, we can show.
Oh God.
Jesus. I push it out, like it's not that bad.
Lots of work
It's
to do,
not that,
as you can
Jesus
see.
Christ. My God, I just push on belly a while ago, it's not that bad.
Struggle is real. This is not even a struggle. This is like you compete with 2020.
Wow.
To take that award for 2020.
Wow, wait
and
until
you guys thought COVID was. You saw that?
Wait until I get the vaccine. Like it's going to somewhere there. Honestly, I put a home.
Yeah, that. I'm not. You're getting muted. I'm not taking that.
No, check. Maybe we get some superpower. I do not know. Suppose we get superpower and lose weight. Suppose like that's a side effect. If the side effect is that you lose weight, I'm gonna try.
Well, you want? Let me know how that goes.
If they're happy, I want to be one of the first persons when I reach. You know what? Let me just like that.
Give it some time though.
I'd be the third person to try it.
Yeah,
To try. Yeah, one with the third person to try it. I mean, video the whole like thing and everything. But I'm going to commit myself to this fitness journey again.
You should.
Yeah, but the backslide, but I know I'm back.
Yeah, man. As in, once you have that, that guy, that push, that go-to, which I'll definitely be, you'll be in good hands.
Alright, so plug the people them know, so people them know about you.
Alright guys, so my fitness page is IG, NoLimitFitness, JA, no space. And my YouTube channel is same, NoLimitFitness.
Oh yeah, YouTube now, yeah.
Oh yeah, right.
Years
So on
ago.
YouTube.
Yeah.
Peer pressure because of when you have clients like Barry and Kevin, the pressure that must get out there.
Yeah, put your content out
Kind
there.
of vibe. So I'm trying something guys. So
I suppose you want tell people they want like you offer personal training and
Right.
something there and
So,
if they are foreign Zoom and
straight up, I'm big up Barry straight up. He's pretty much while I'm trying to get him looking this part, he's trying to get me into looking this part on the flip side. So
content
he's
part.
definitely showing me the ropes, and after big him up for sure for guiding me. If you look at my first video on my page, which is NoLimitFitness JA space JA, my intro video was like it's terrible, but it's still there, so you can check it out. So NoLimitFitness space JA for YouTube, and my IG just NoLimitFitness straight JA. So I guess you pin there.
Yeah,
Put it
down
somewhere
there, so.
around there, and kind of just follow, tag, and yeah.
And all of that. Alright, big up yourself, Akeem. That is it for this video. I never know what else man because like right now I'm hungry, but like since I'm hungry, I just say like yo, it's intermittent.
I'll buy a salad from Wendy's. That's healthy.
A salad.
A salad.
A salad.
No.
I think you have something about juicy beef, no, like 3-4 pieces of dumpling, 2 finger banana. No dressing.
Dry salad. Dry.
Oh my freak, no,
And
them
water.
something.
Not, what's canned water have enough sugar in it? Not even that canned water. Water.
Well, we can leave Vegas so that and people suppose when they want to work with them again, Akeem. Say them give me the little boss, suppose when they want to work with them again.
Pick up.
Anyway, peace out. Don't worry, Uncut. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Bye bye.
Alright guys.